talking of the training part, if how because I don't want to bring them focus back on the open source. How do you see open source impacting one way or the other your training and maybe down if you have any thoughts on what would you do differently if you had training with open source?
Well, a couple of years ago, Joe Costello was pushing the company in a DSIM simulated the completely open system like
Free and open source are different.
and they've now been acquired. So the tool's not.
Well, remember, back then it was open source. I think it's important, at least from an SPGO perspective. Got to differentiate what is free versus. We all know as a company in UK, very very famous. Without naming, they're not here, so right. So they do have a playground that you can play with, EDA tools. Without naming, you know what it is, yeah. And you do get VCS, XLM, and stuff like that. That's free. But what we are talking about here is open source. So I want to understand if you guys have any idea, any thoughts on why open source when you have.
Yeah, I could probably